Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 7, chapter 16. Okay, so this is also not too difficult question. Okay, we are given that acceleration is given by minus 6 meter per second square. Okay, um, okay, and when t is, yeah, this is also important piece of information that when t is 0, the speed was, the velocity was 18 meter per second. Okay. Okay. Find the time at which the is come to rest. Okay. So in order to find the time when the particle is at rest, we need to know its speed because at rest means speed is zero. Okay. So in order to find the speed, we need to integrate the acceleration, right? So the velocity is equal to the integral of the acceleration. Okay. So how will I integrate it? It's going to be minus 6t plus a constant of integration. Make sense? Okay, now we use this information. When time is 0, the speed was 18. So 18 is equal to minus 6 into 0 plus c. Okay, so c is 18. Okay, so using this information, velocity as a function of time, it is 18 minus 60. So many meters per second. Okay, now we're ready to do this problem. Find the time at which p comes to instantaneous rest. Okay, so when velocity is 0, 18 minus 60, so you can see that 60 is equal to 18, or t is equal to 18 over 6, that is 3 seconds. Okay, so this is the time when the particle was at rest, speed was 0. Okay, so this is part uh, A. Now let's do part B. It says find the distance traveled by P in the third second. Third second means that when the time goes from 2 to 3, right? Okay, so in order to find this distance, I need to integrate the speed, velocity. I'm mixing about these two terminologies. 18 minus 60, I need to integrate this thing from 2 to 3. Okay, does it make sense or no? You see, if somebody asks me, find the distance traveled in the first second. So first second start from 0 to 1, right? Second is from 1 to 2. This is second second. So the third second starts from 2 and go up to 3, right? So this is the third second. Okay, so I need to integrate this thing. It will give me 18 integral 2 to 3 dt minus 6 integral t dt 2 to 3. And there will be no constant of integration. Remember, whenever you have this definite integral with the limits, then there's no constant of integration. Okay, so it is 18 and integral is t, limits from 2 to 3 minus 6 integral t square by 2 and limits 2 to 3. So this is 18. When I put upper limit, it is 3, lower limit 2. Minus, this will become 3. And when I put upper limit, 3 power 2 is 9. Minus 2 power 2 is 4. So this is going to be 18 times 1 minus 3 times 9 minus 1 is 5. So 18 minus 15 is 3. 3 meter. Okay. So this is the distance traveled by the particle in the uh, third second. Okay. I hope everything is clear. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.